helpful for the
Yes.
logic building and other things as well.
Right.
And
Yes. Yes.
here
I
we are going
understand.
with the how to develop the website, means like a kind of basic
Mhm.
web development techniques, and after that we are learning Scratch as well, and the students are also learning here basically a bit
Mhm.
about Python as well. So these are the three main topics that we are doing in this class.
Any new batches, or is this the batch which you're taking right now? Is this the only
Ma'am, the new
batch?
batch will also commence soon, very soon. Like if the students are enrolled, then the new batch will also commence. Ma'am, you can share your mobile number here to ma'am, and then she will contact you accordingly.
Yeah. 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 1 minute. 1 minute.
In the chat, ma'am, you can share.
Sir, I have done.
You have done? Okay, show me how will you save it? No, first explain me that what you have written. I do not know anything, Kush. What is this? Why have you written this as doctype HTML?
Sir, the doc type HTML and the HTML controls the web page.
Great. Why have you written this head?
Sir, because I have written this head because it is the head of the web page. We are going to write the title in it.
Great, very nice. Okay, what are the means of this body?
So the body controls the texts and the images and more.
Very good. And what is the full form of this SRC? Why are you writing this SRC here?
Because it is the image SRC. It
SRC
is the
stand for what?
short form
Karuna,
of
can you tell me?
source.
Okay, Kush. Now, Karuna will tell me. What is the full form of this SRC? Why we are writing image SRC? Karunya, please tell me. You are on mute, Karunya.
Sir, the full form of SRC.
Huh?
Uh,
Why we are writing this? Just tell me why we are writing this image SRC.
we can uh, we can we can search image and we can write it in the web page.
Yeah, like whatever, like the image SRC, image means IMG stand for the image, right? And this
True.
SRC, it is stand for what? Source. Wherever, like at what place this image is there, right? Now it is going to, if we are going to save it and we are going to make it into the web page, then our HTML will find out that where this image is actually at. And after that, it will commence. Okay. Let's see how Kush is going to do. Kush, can you now save it and show me that how is it working? Kush? Arav? Hello, hello. Great.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, save it now. Riyansh, be ready next time. You are the next, okay?
Yes, sir.
Great. Do not, very nice. .ht. Great, very nice. Very good, Kush. Okay. Open it. Arav, I guess your internet connection is not stable. Arav, your internet connection is not stable. Yeah, Kush, yeah, he had joined. Okay.
After I left automatically.
No worries, no worries.
Then it came. Can
It's
I
fine.
share?
It's fine. Yeah,
Can I
you
share my
can.
screen again?
Yeah, sure. Kush, you can share your screen again. Okay, Karuna, just tell me, have we learned that how to order and unorder the list in the HTML in the last class or not? No? Have we learned that?
Sir, look.
Kush, your screen is not visible to me. Please show me. Because it is the practice day. Okay. So be ready with practice. Today I am going to see that what have you learned in these 4 classes, in the last 4 classes, right? Let's see. Arav, I cannot see your screen. Your screen is not visible. Huh. Now you can share your screen. Arav, I guess it will be. Yeah, great. Very great. Very nice. Okay, so there is a image, like, your title image is Scratch and the image of the Scratch is also coming there, right? Okay. So now we are going to learn out that how we can insert out the different list into the HTML. Okay. Have you learned this before or not? Tell me, Arav, Riyansh, have you learned this?
Yes, sir.
How can we do it? Who will tell me? Hmm?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir, we have to write
Mm-hmm.
less less than symbol.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to add list. Then we
Mhm.
have to close. Then we have to add anything in the list we want. Then
Mhm.
we will just close the list by again putting that less than symbol and forward slash then list then greater
Great.
than.
Very nice. Okay, so we are going to revise out, है ना? Let's first of all, let's revise and then we are going to move forward. Okay, are you ready? Are you
Yes,
ready
sir.
to revise all the classes, whatever we have learned?
Sir.
Okay, I'm going to share my screen and if it is visible, just let me know. Okay. And today
Sir,
I have
my
this.
opening Python doubts are also solved.
Oh, that's great. That's very nice. Okay, we are also going to learn out some of the codes in the Python, right? Riyansh, Karun, and Arav, be ready for that as well. Okay. And apart from that, yeah, I'll give you a project, right? You can make out Scratch is, I guess, very easy for you, है ना? Should I teach you something over here,
Yes.
or you are going to make out some project? Okay, you have to make me. Like in the last class, we have learned out that how to use the X and the Y coordinates in the Scratch. Okay, do you remember those?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Arav, Riyansh, Karunya,
Yes,
do you
sir.
remember how can we press it and how can we move it? Okay, now
Yes.
Riyansh will show me. Riyansh, now just open the Scratch first and show me that how we can use the X and Y coordinates and how can we make a game. Okay,
Sir,
you forgot?
yes, sir.
Okay, no worries. Does anyone remember Karunya or Arav? Karunya?
Sir, I
can
remember those for a long.
Okay, Arav, can you just show me that how can we make out the basketball game that you made in the last class?
Okay.
Okay, but you have to do it very quickly. You have only the 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes. In those 3 minutes, you have to write the code. Okay, now just open the Scratch in your laptop. This is not the Scratch. This is the web page of the Scratch that you have designed, right? This is not the application. You can use the scratch.mit.edu website. You can just search on it, and after that it will be. And today we
Sir,
are going to quickly. Yes, Karunya?
sir, in Scratch we can go by Google, sir.
Yeah, we can go with the Google as well.
Yes, sir.
I know, just like Arav will show. Arav, like this is the website I will also share in the chat so that you can also browse on it. है ना, Karunya? Scratch.mit.edu. है ना? I will share this website with you and then it will come out. And today I have a very special gift for all of you. I am going to share it in the last. I'm not going to reveal it now. Okay. Arav, I guess like it is taking that much time to load. Your internet connection is not that much stable. Okay, so let me teach you, right? First of all, I think Riyansh has also forgotten and Kosh is also like he's a bit.
Sir, I can make game
Huh?
on Scratch. I can make game on Scratch.
Okay, would you like to show me?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so just open the Scratch in your.
Sir, can I
laptop and show
share?
me. Yeah, you can share. Just click on the share button and share it and show me that how you are going to make it the game. Scratch 3. Just open the Scratch 3. Karun, I will suggest you to download the application Scratch, है ना? or I will also share you the link by which you can just go over there and you can let it load. Okay, yeah. Just click on it and drag it. Very good, Riyansh. Okay, now just drag the batsman to the another position. You need to drag the batsman to the another position. Arab, be ready with your basketball script. You are going to make out the basketball game, है ना?
Okay, sir. I am going to work.
Yeah, just open it, है ना? Yeah, change the position of that. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Great. Okay, now we are going to just make it fix at the initial position. Okay. So which command we are using? Glide 1 second X to Y, है ना? What do you mean by X and Y? X stand for what? We are going into the straight direction. Whenever we are moving into the line like this.
Yes,
Whenever we
sir.
are moving into the line, we say that we are moving into the X, right? And when we are
Yes.
flying high in the sky, we call it what? That we are going into
Why?
the Y direction. Okay. So X and
Yes.
Y directions are very, very clear, I guess, right? X direction, moving like this, right? What is Y direction? Flying high, right? Okay, now just click on the flag and show me how is it going to work out. Oh, that's nice. He's moving only that. Okay, but we want something very amazing, right? Okay, Karunya. Coach, you are leaving again and again. Your internet connection is not that much stable today. Why is it so? Okay, so let's revise quickly whatever we have learned in these last four classes, since it is the 5th class. So 5th class and the 10th class, 15th class and the 20th class, right? It will be always the revision classes and the practice classes, okay? And in the rest 4 classes, we are going to learn. So let's revise very quickly. Are you ready? Are you all ready? Okay, I think we are having Urvika
Yes.
and Rishika as well, and they are feeling left out. Huh? Okay, so we are going to revise, right? I'm going to teach you from the very basics, okay? Are you ready? Urvika and Rishika as well. I will unmute you and then you can also interact with me. Hai. And if you want to turn on your camera, then you can also turn on, okay? Fine. So let's start today's class. Is my screen visible? Is it visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Great, very nice, okay?
Yes, sir.
So now let's start. Without any delay, let's start the class. Okay, so first of all, the concept that comes in our mind, that how we are doing all these things. If we want to search out anything, if we want to watch any video on the YouTube, then how is it coming? If a person who is very, very far from us, he can talk to us. He can send us a message within 1 second. How is it possible? Karunya, Riyansh, how is it possible? Just by we are just going
Sir,
to
it is possible because of internet.
internet, right? Because of the internet, right? So the internet has changed the entire world. Can you just think out? I remember that time when if I need to send any letter or any message to someone, then I need to write the letter at least 1 month before. And after that, that letter is going to the postman is going to carry that letter, and then after that, that letter will be delivered. It was so much, so struggle at that time. I need to wait for the postman. Then when the postman will come and will give me the letter again. But now I will just click, hello, how are you? And then my message will be delivered. I am from New Delhi and you are from some other places. And you are taking the class from there because of the internet. Yes or no? You are interacting with me. You are learning because of the internet. We are browsing so many things. We are watching YouTube videos. We are watching Motu Patlu cartoon. Why? Internet, right? So internet is like a blessing and it's like the magic. But wow, how is it a magic? Because it is connecting all the computers, laptops, phones, everything. And we can share the information with the help of this internet. Yes. We are having some kind of wireless towers as well. There are some towers, right? Like nearby us, you will find out there are some network towers are there. And we are having the different SIM operators like Airtel, we are having Vodafone, VI, and what do we call Geo, right? Reliance. All these are what? These are the network providers. These are providing us. And after that, our phone is going to connect it with the tower, and the tower will connect to the satellite, and the satellite will connect to the another tower, and then it will be delivered. But this process just take only few seconds. Can you imagine? We have developed technology in such a manner that it is only taking few seconds, just minute second, like 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. It is just taking that much time only. And everything will be delivered. Huh? Right or not? Yes, Karunya? Okay. Great. Okay. Your name is Rishika, right? Urvika and
Sir, my name is Rishika. Rishika.
Rishika. Okay. And Urvika, right? Rishika and Urvika. Okay.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
So now let's understand that what is this coding? Like we have already understood that we are already doing the coding, but what it is? Riyansh, would you like to tell me what is coding? Riyansh, what is this coding? Huh?
Coding is a computer language.
Computer language. Okay. Karunya?
Sir,
Tell me.
You
we use coding to send to create games and apps.
Great. You have told me the use. Okay. But I will tell you, right? See, we are going to revise once more. Just focus. Okay. See, if I'm just asking, if I'm coming to the Riyansh home and I'm asking Riyansh, can you give me a glass of water? What will Riyansh do? What will Riyansh do? Riyansh will go to the... Riyansh will give me the water, right? So I'm just saying, I'm just giving some instruction, right? If I'm saying Riyansh stand up, then the Riyansh will stand up, right? And if I'm saying Riyansh sit down, so Riyansh will sit down. And similarly, we have to give some instruction, right? To whom? To whom? To the computer, to laptop, so that they can do something. Yes or no? So that they can do something. And that is actually the coding. That is actually the coding, right? Because does computer have brain? It has CPU, right? But not actually the human brain like we are having. Okay. So we need to tell the computer that what to do. We need to tell the computer what to do. So with the help of the coding, we can give the instruction to the computer and the computer is going to do that. Is it clear? Karuni, Riyansh, Urvika, Rishika, right? So what is coding? Coding is just nothing. Coding simply, whenever we are giving an instruction to the computer, then it is called the coding. Whenever we are giving the instruction, then it is called coding, right? Actually, what do we do? When we are writing HTML and image source, we are giving the instruction that you have to go to this place, and after that you have to get out this image, and then you have to do this. What is this? Just like giving the instruction, just like I'm giving you the instruction, I'm giving the Karun as the instruction, that please share your screen, that is an instruction. Okay. But yeah, there is some specific languages in which we can give the instruction to the computer. And we are going to call them as the machine language. What do we call them? Machine language. Because the computer can understand only the machine language. It cannot understand English. hello computer, what are you doing? He will not reply. है ना? Yeah, he can reply. We are going to write a code that if I will ask you that, hello computer, what are you doing? Then he will say, hello, I'm not doing anything. Just like we ask for the Alexa, na? Hey Alexa, what are you doing? Then Alexa is going to reply yes. है ना? If we are going to ask the Google Assistant as well, then it also replies. All these are based upon the coding only. All these are based upon the coding only. So coding means writing instruction for a computer to follow. And whatever the instructions we are going to write, and the computer is going to follow those instructions. Okay, and that is called coding. Yes, Karun and Riyansh, is it clear? Great,
Yes,
very
sir.
nice. Okay,
Yeah.
what we can do with the coding? We are already doing all these, right? We are already doing these. We are making games. Are we making games or not? We are, right? Are we making animations? Yes, I will tell you that how to make out the stories and other things using the coding. Okay, we are going to learn that. Very easy, right? Tell stories, comics. Yeah, we have tried once, right? Creating application. Yeah, it is an advanced tech. Yeah, it is an advanced thing, right? You know, whatever the applications we see here in our phone, in our laptop, they are all designed with the help of the coding. We are going to write a code and then it will make out the application for us. And we are going to use that application. Whatever the application it is, then we are going to use that. Like YouTube is an application, and a notepad in which you are going to write the code, that is an application. Okay. The Python that you are using, that is an application. Microsoft, YouTube, Google, all these are what? Applications. Yeah? And also one more thing that we will understand in the robotics. Yeah? In the robots, how can we control the robots? We will also learn this. Okay. I'm also going to tell you how can we actually, okay. So I'll take, I promised you to take some extra classes as well. Karun and Riyansh and Khush Araf, right? That what I said, do you remember? That I'm going to also make you learn about the electronic segment in which we are going to make out the super fast cars. Okay. In which you can just control by the coding. You will write a code and then you are going to control it. Hai I will show you. I will tell you.
Yes.
You are going to learn everything. Okay. And
Sir,
also,
my internet connection was unstable.
no worries, no worries. Kush, that's why we were just revising the previous classes, right? That your internet connection was stable, so I think that we should revise. Okay. Now is it fine, Arav? Arav, we have not learned anything new. Don't worry. Okay. Arav, are you there? Arav is again left. Okay, no worries. So computer is going to tell out the computer, है coding is going to tell out the computer games, robots, and what to do, है we can create our own games, animations, apps, and even we can control the robots as well. Okay, I'm going to tell you that how we can control the robots as well with the help of this coding. Got it? So these are the some things that you can do with coding. These are the few things that you can do with the coding.
Sir.
Few things only. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, after this, okay, we have already done this scratch. We are already learning this. But yeah, I'm going to tell you that what is this, right? So, scratch is like a platform, like an application is there by which we can just understand the simple logics. Like Riyansh has shown an example. Riyansh has demonstrated as an example as well that how can we give the commands in the scratch and how can we make out the games, the stories, and animations. And what is it? What is this actually? It is just like a drag and the drop. We are going to drag something, drop, drag, drop, drag, drop. So this we are going to call as the, what is this? Which type of coding it is? Block based or text based? Riyansh, which type of coding it is? It is the block based. Karuna, tell me what is a text based coding?
We are using HTML. It is called text-based coding.
Text based, right? We are also learning. We are also going to learn Python. Python will be also text based. Means we are going to write something. But in the scratch is very simple. We are going to just drag something, drop, drag, drop, and that is only the game we are going to do in scratch. And we are already doing this, right? Is it very clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So these are the few things. Why do we use scratch? I guess I already told you. Yeah, we are going to learn out. Yeah, I'm going to tell you the basics now. Just focus, okay? See, in the Scratch, you will see kind of this type of the user interface. So here you will see out what that this is the whatever we are going to write here, है ना? Like this could be any character we can choose, right? And what we are going to call our character? We can choose a batsman, we can choose a hen, we can choose an egg, whatever we want to. And what we are going to call that character? We can choose a cat, girl, boy, whatever. Okay, Riyansh, what we are going to call that character? Can you tell me? Sprite.
The sprite.
Sprite, है ना? That character we are going to call it as the sprite. That this is my sprite. I'm not going to tell that it is a character. I will call you that. Okay, now choose a sprite named Abby, है ना? Then you are going to just search Abby and then you are going to choose that sprite. Okay, is it very clear? है ना? And now what is this stage? Like where I am now? Where I am now? I am in the room. So that is my stage, right? That is my stage. Stage means like where we perform. Like if I will ask you that what do you do on the stage? Then you will say, sir, whatever we are doing in the assembly, we do on stage. Yes or no? What is a stage? On the stage we perform. So whatever we will write the code on the stage, that will be performed, right? That will be shown on that. The stage is the main area. Stage is the main area where whatever we are going to write the code, it will be shown over there. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? And this we call it the stage. Stage will be at the right hand side of our screen. है ना? Yes, Karunya, are you saying something? Oh, Kushak joined. Okay, done. Is it very clear?
Sir,
Yes, Arav, ask me. Your internet
may
connection.
I share my screen?
Oh, now just focus in the class. I'm going to revise all the things, okay? Then you can share your screen after this. You will show an example to all of us, okay? Whatever we have learned in our previous classes. Okay. So this is the sprite and the stage. And after that, yeah, coding blocks, we already know. Hai na? What are the coding blocks? Like this is the motion block. Motion means what? When we move our car, we are going to call as the motion. When we are moving, motion. Running, motion. Running our hands, motion. What is this? Motion. Everything is motion, na? When we jump, that is a motion. Okay. Whenever we are changing our position from here to there, we are going to call it as the motion. What we will call it? Motion. Right? Is it very clear? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. See, in the events, what will happen in the events? Events means like it is going to start the program or it is going to, whatever we are going to do with the program, we are going to just select in the events. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. In the looks, how am I
Yes,
looking?
sir.
How am I looking? I'm looking nice. Thank you. Okay. You are not saying to me anything. Okay. So that is going to be, we are going to have in the looks, right? In the looks, if I will say hello, then it will say hello. And if I'm going to change my appearance, and if I'm going to make my hairs like this, you will say, sir, you are looking different today. So that comes in the looks, right? So looks means whatever we want to do some colors, changes some colors, right? If we want to change out the sprite color or the backdrop color, right? All we are going to learn in the looks. Okay, is it very clear? Very good. Sound. Anna, I'm making a sound here. Anna. The cats make a sound. Anna, we sound, we dance. When we dance, how do we dance? Because the sound, there is the sound, there is some music. When the music plays, we sound. Anna, sorry, we dance, right? So that in the sound block, there are the different sounds will be there and we can add sounds for our code. Is it clear? Okay. Now the control block. This is the most important block, control block. Why it is control block and why is it important? Can you tell me? Arav, Priyansh, anyone? Yeah, because it is going to control the program. It is going to control the program. If we will say repeat 10 times, then it is going to repeat 10 times the same thing. If we will say repeat it forever, so that it will be repeating it forever. Okay? Is it clear? And operators and the variables. And variables means what? When we play a game, do you remember when we play a game? So there is always a score. What is the speed of your car? Like when we are playing a game, shoo, then the score comes out that your score is 100, 200. है These are your coins when we play Subway Surfer or any other game as well. So that the score that is continuously changing, we are going to call it as the variable. What we are going to call it? Variable. Okay.
Variable.
Is it clear, Riyansh, Karunya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Operators. What are operators? Like, when we add something, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 is equals to what? What is 10 plus 10?
20.
20. Great. So that is an operator. What is 2 times 2? 5. Is it 5? Why it is not 5? My maths is bad. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this plus is an operator. What is this? Operator. This multiply, this is an operator. This is the sign of multiply, but this is an operator. When we are going to divide, this is also an operator. All these are what? All these are what?
Operators.
Operators, right? Multiply, division, all these are the operators, right? Okay. When we do modulus, modulus as well. I'll tell you how do we do the modulus, whenever there is a reminder, whenever when we are dividing this 2, 4, let me see. Let me write here. Like if I'm just dividing 6 by 2, what will be there? 3. Then it will be 0. So that is what? That is the modulus operator. We are going to use the modulus operator in that. Whatever the question or the reminder we will be getting, we are going to use the modulus operator. We are going to learn. In the scratch, we will be learning this, right? Sensing means, like suppose somebody, if we are going to touch out the, what do we call, touch me not plant, what happens? We are going to touch the touch me not plant.
It will close
And the key.
Right? Great. So
the
similarly, we are having the mouse pointer, we are having the mouse, we are having several other things, and that is called the sensing. That comes into the sensing. Why it comes into the sensing? Because whenever we are going to sense it, right? Whenever we are going to do something, then it will be called as the sensing. Okay, is it clear? Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
what is the difference between events and control?
Okay, see. The difference between the events and control. See, I will show you. Okay. Let me show you completely. We'll go into the next slide and then I will directly show you, right? Can you just see here? Events. Events, like the color of the event block is yellow, So whenever we want to start the program or whenever we want to stop the program, we are going to do with the event. Like, whenever there is an event, what happens? Like whenever we are starting the program or stopping the program, then we use the events, right? And in the control, we are controlling that. We want, okay, that just move 10 times. Repeat this 10 times. Repeat this forever. Do not stop at all. So that is the control. We are doing the control. Repeat, wait, all these are what? All these are the control. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On Karuna, would you like to answer this? What is the difference between event and the control?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
The event, we need to start the program. We use event.
Okay.
For control button, we use it for repeating or wait or to say something to repeat or wait. We use control.
But what is the difference? I'm asking. We are going to use this. Who will tell me? Riyansh, could you? Arav? Have you forgotten this?
Yes, sir.
See,
No, sir.
basically when we want to trigger anything, right? Whenever we are clicking on the green flag, or whenever we are pressing any key, okay. So basically that is called an event, They do not repeat or control the timing. They just begin something. Like whenever we're pressing any key, suppose I'm pressing any key in my keyboard, right? And that will be my event. That is what? Event. Okay. So event is like the buttons that are starting the program or the action. For example, if we need to turn on this fan, what we will do? We're going to turn on the button and that button is going to turn on the fan. That is an event. Okay. But if we want that our fan should not stop or our fan should just 10 times. Then we are going to control that fan, है ना? Like when we control the speed. Okay, now it has this 1 speed, 2 speed. Have you seen that regulator in our boards actually, right? So there is a regulator. When we control that, okay, now it is that speed. I want to increase the speed, so we are going to control again. Yes or no? Like AC remote. Have you seen the AC remote? When we
Yes,
start the AC remote with the help of
Yes,
that
sir.
button, na? With the help of this button, we are going to start that, na? Like this type of button. Na? Then we are going to start the AC, and if we want to increase the level of the AC, then what we will do? We are having some other. Then whenever we are increasing or decreasing or whenever we are repeating that, na? Then it is called the control. What it is? Control. Is it very clear? Is it very clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's
Sir, what is the definition of variables?
See, variables means whenever we are storing anything. Like for example, if I need to store, like have you bottle? Do you have a bottle? Bottle. The water bottle, hai na?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
the
sir.
water bottle, what do we do? In the water bottle, what do we do?
We
Store water.
we fill water.
We store water, right? Similarly, these variables, they are going to store. Variables will do what? Store. Store, hai na? That are going to store. And what they will store? They will store our score. They will store our score or speed or anything, right? So they are going to store that. At like suppose I'm just moving. So I have moved 1 step. So who will store this? The variable will store this. So we can say the variable is like a water bottle or a container. That is going to store our all the things. And why do we say a variable? Because it is continuously changing as well. That's why we say variable. If someone is moving, if someone is like, playing a game and he's just pressing the speed button, so then the car will move fastly, and the car will change its score continuously. That's why we are going to call it as the variable. And that score will be stored in the variable. Okay. How much it is changing, then it will be stored in the variable. Okay. So variable is like a container. Is it very clear? Kush,
Yes,
who asked this?
Me, sir.
Rishika, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Great. So variable means what? Whenever we are storing, like a storage box. Like it could be like a school bag as well. When we are going to, the bag is the variables. Just think out this bag. My bag is the variable. In the bag, in bag, what we are going to put out? We are going to put out the books, pencils, right? These are the values. These are the values, right? We can also add some other value, or we can also remove some other value. We can add more pencil, more books into it, and we can remove the books from it. Okay. So the bag will be the same. But the thing, whenever we are inserting, whenever we are putting any book, or whenever we are removing any book, whenever we are taking any book, then the bag will be same. So the variable will be same, but the things are going to change. Got it? Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's like
Yes,
a container. Whenever we are storing any information, we are going to call it as a variable. Okay. Like the timer, whenever we are saying any answers, who will store all these? Who has the memory? Variable is that. Okay.
Variables.
Great. So let me tell you something more and let's delete this. If it is still not clear, ask me any of the doubt, whatever you are having. Okay. Yeah. Now let's come to the
Sure.
HTML that we are learning nowadays. What is the full form of HTML? Where is the
Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext
markup language.
Hypertext markup language. Why do we use this HTML?
To make
Why?
website.
Text based.
We are going to make out the web pages, like every web page, like when we search anything on the Google, so there are a lot of websites came. Yes or no? So all these websites are made using the, made using the HTML. HTML. Is it very clear?
Yes.
And why do we
Yes,
say it a
sir.
hypertext? Why do we say it a hypertext? Does anyone know? Why do we say it hypertext? And why is it markup language? Hypertext means it allows the text with the links as well. Like in the image, we have inserted some of the links. And after that, it is going to that link. Okay. And when we generally write anything in the MS Word, what happens? Or something just like we are writing anything, right? When we type something, we can insert the links, but yeah, that is not functionable. But the hypertext allows us links, है ना? That is going to link out one page from the another page. That's why we call it as the hypertext. Is it very clear? Is it very clear? है ना?
Sir.
And what is markup? Markup means, what is markup? Markup means the tags. Like we use some tags over there, है ना? Like head tag, body tag, all these are the tags. That means it will be the format of the tag. Great. Right? Like we can also inspect out. Yes, Arav, we have also done the inspection on the websites that how actually these websites are made. Okay. And language means
Yes,
what?
sir.
What is language? Like Hindi is the language, English is the language. है ना? Or Tamil is the language.
The language means the computer language.
Language means the set of rules. Language means what? A set of rules, है ना? That are going to write the codes. Whatever the English language we are going to use, HTML, that is what? Language, है ना? Hello kids, that is a language. Okay. Is it very clear? Is it very clear? Okay, so this was the first, I guess, like it was the very basic. We have just moved from that, है ना? HTML, and then we are going to write out the body. H1 stand for what? What is the H1? Big heading. This is our big heading, right? And then what does this P stand for?
Paragraph.
Paragraph. Whatever we are going to write
Paragraph.
inside this tag, then it will be turned into the paragraph. And then we are going to close the body tag, and also we need to close the HTML tag. Okay. Whatever we are starting, we need to just close that. If something that is started, we need to close, right? Yes or no? If you have started the, okay, just like what do we do? Like whatever you are going to do, you are going to close that as well. Whenever you are opening a door, then you need to close that door. है ना? Whenever we are opening the water bottle,
sir.
then we need to close that as well. Yes or no? Whenever we are starting a computer, then we need to close the computer. That's called the end. Perfect. है ना? If we have started something, we need to end that. Understood? Is it very clear? And what does this HTML will tell the browser? That this content, whatever inside this, it is made using the HTML. Whatever we are making here, it is made using the HTML. So this HTML tag that is going to tell out. Okay, is that clear? And from here our body start.
Yes, sir.
Body means, what does this body? Like we are having a body, है ना? Body means whatever the contents will be there and where they are going to be. Whatever the contents will be there and where they are going to be. Okay, is it very clear? Okay, now let's come to the practice. Okay, so Arav, you are going to showcase us, right? है ना? First of all, show us the scratch. In the scratch or basketball game, please show to us. Okay, Arav, you are, I guess, like you can share your screen now. And you are on mute as well. Okay. What is this game, Arav? What you have designed?
Sir, I've designed the basketball animation. Then that when we click the basketball, it goes to the basket and scores a goal.
Great, very nice. Okay, and how you design? Show us the script.
Sir, this is the basketball script.
Okay, very good. Very nice. So you have also used the go-to
And
accent.
it is the
It is the basketball. Okay.
then
Basket
it-
is the
ye-
basketball.
this is,
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good.
sir, I have copied the basket from the background. Then I have made it to the sprite to show layers.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. So you have just used the front layer and the. Okay. Very good. If you want to change
Back
out the
layer.
backdrop, how can we change the backdrop? Can you show me? If you want to change the backdrop. Very good. And from here, we can choose out the backdrop, whatever we want, right? If we want out a baseball, bedroom, bench, everything will be there. Okay. Arav, now also show the other blocks as well, like how the other blocks look like, motion block, looks, and other ones. Arav? Arav,
Sir,
show me.
this is the motion blocks.
These are the motion blocks, okay? Urvika and Rishika, please see this, and please have a look on these, right? You were not having any doubt, like motion move, and something whenever there is moving, right? Whenever we are turning anything, okay, go to random position, then this basket will go it to the random position if we are using this. If we turn 15 degrees, then it will be turned as well. Okay, now show the looks block. Arav, click fastly on the looks block. Yeah, this is the looks block, like say, think, if we want to change the costume of this, then we are going to do with this looks block. If we want to change out the next backdrop, we are going to change this from this looks block. Sound, show the sound one. Okay, show it fastly, this is play sound if we want to add any sound or if we want to change any sound, right? Okay, play sound. Okay, Arav, also show, like, also change it, like add a sound in it. Add a sound in your script. You can add a sound there, whenever it is going or playing out, whenever we are going to just clicking on the flag, it should make a pop sound. So there are the different sounds you can make out, okay? Basically, this is the stuff like in which we are going to make out the project, then it will be saved into the Scratch. Okay, and then we can, whatever, whenever we want to open them, then they can open. Okay, they can be opened. Okay, this is the event. Okay. Okay, fine, Ara, fine. Just show the control. Fastly show the control. The control block. See, this is the Rishika, just see out this. This is the event block and this is the control block. In the event block, we are going to start out whatever we want to start or whenever we want to. Show the event first, Ara. Show it fastly. Show the event block first. This is the event block. When flag clicked, whenever we are going to click on this flag, then this program will start. When this sprite clicked, whenever we are clicking on this sprite, then this program, the RF that has written over here, then it will be started over there. Okay, got it? Now show the control block. RF, show the control block. Yeah. So this is the control block. Like, wait 1 second, if we want to that, suppose I want that before going into the front, it should wait out. Whenever the basketball is going up and in the air, it should stop for a few seconds and then it will come again. Then we can control this with the help of the control block. Okay. So the operator and variables. RF, can you make out a variable as well? RF, can you make out a variable as well? Great. So with the help of the make a variable, we can make out a variable. We'll just click on it. Whatever we want to write here is score. Just write score. And just click on it. Okay. For all sprite. You can see from here. In the stage, now the score is there. A score, now the score of this RF is 0. And if the ball will go into that, then the score will 1. And it is going to 2. You can change out. The score is changing continuously. Okay. So in this way, we design the score and other things. Okay, Urvika? Rishika, is it clear? Is it
Yes.
clear? Okay,
So
great.
now
this is
I will show the operators category.
operator. Just show it fastly. This is the operator. Whenever we are going to add out something, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, or 3 minus 3, divided by, less than, all these are the operators, right? Okay, fine, Arav. Okay, great, great, great.
Sir, now sir,
Hmm.
the sensing
I have a game
category.
for you. I have a game for you. We have to play that game as well. And then we are going to have the good night. Okay. Fine, mini coders. So let's play a game. Okay. Okay. So for now, for today's game, we are going to play out a quick draw game. I will share a link in the chat and then you can just open it and then we are going to play that game. If you just click on that, click quick draw, then you can just open this in your web browsers and then you can play it. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
What we are going to do, first of all, I will show you. Okay. If you just click on this link, then it will be opened in your web browser. Okay, let me show you how it will work. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Is my screen visible? So let's draw, है ना? Basically, this website is made using the artificial intelligence. Okay, I already told you what is artificial intelligence, right? Now, this, like if I will click on the quick draw, है ना? Got it. We have to draw a pineapple, right? So let's draw pineapple. I'm bad at drawing,
I
but
see
I'll...
squiggle. Or pear. Or wine bottle.
So
or hot
how can we
dog.
make out the
I see
pineapple,
flip
right?
flop.
Hmm.
Or sandwich. Or wishbone. Or computer mouse.
Oh, I was unable
I see
to.
toothpaste. Or marker.
Okay, I have
Sorry,
to make out a
I
wheel,
couldn't
right?
guess it. I see circle. Or moon. Or bracelet. Or hockey puck. Or blueberry. I see clock. Or baseball. Or watch. Oh, I know. It's wheel.
Yeah, it has guessed, right? Draw seesaw, है ना? We are going to draw a seesaw. Okay, you can just play out this game, right? Whenever you are... Okay, let's see how is it going to, right? So it is guessing. It is called the guess. Whenever we are drawing something, then the code inside it, it is going to guess out whatever we are going to draw. Okay, so that's an interesting game. Okay. Understood?
Sorry, I couldn't
Bench.
guess it.
We have to draw a bench here, है ना? How we can draw a bench? We are going to think out and we can draw bench.
Oh, I know. It's bench.
Right? Draw bracelet. Let's see, where is the sound option? Can you hear the sound as well? Yes, are you enjoying this game? Arunya, are you playing this game as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you need to just draw with your mouse.
Sorry, I couldn't
Sir,
guess
it
it.
is so funny.
Yeah, it is very funny.
Sir, I will inspect the code now.
You are going to inspect the code? Why are you going to inspect the code?
My,
Let's draw a mosquito. How we can draw mosquito? So
I see squiggle. Or nose. Or snake. Or sock. Or garden hose.
drawing, but I will.
I see shoe. Or peanut. Or seahorse. Or water slide. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Draw blackberry.
I see knee. Or circle. Or potato. Or pear. I see computer mouse. Or avocado. Or blueberry. I see cherry. Or peanut. Sorry, I couldn't guess it. I see green bean. Or paper clip. Oh, I know, it's trousers. I see butterfly. Or animal migration. I have no clue what you're drawing. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, I know, it's bird.
Okay. So now, should we stop now? Let's stop playing, okay? So that's so much fun. Okay, guys. So I hope you liked the session and we have learned so many things today, right? Okay, in the next class, I will also tell you that how to install the Python and how we are going to do the code and how can we make out some funny games in that as well, okay? Priyansh, Arav and Karunya. I hope the session was very clear, whatever we have learned today.
Sir, I have also made so many files.
Great, very nice. Okay, Urvika and Rishika, have you learned something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, since it was a kind of the regular session and you have attended the regular session, but still I tried to manage with those, na, so that you can also learn something. Okay, then. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. If you need to ask anything, then you are open. You can ask anything. Is there anything you want to ask to me?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Riyansh, Khush and Karunya, you need to practice out the HTML code. You need to just show me that how we can insert the image. Riyansh, have you done that as well or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have now. I was making the Images.
Images. You were making the images. Okay. So next class we are also like this will be the pattern of the session, right? We'll be learning, we'll be doing some practical, and then we are going to play a game as well. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. And your energy was at extreme. So bye, mini coders. Bye bye. When you are boring, feel coding. Okay, do coding. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.